good friend or not. I think we all have. Some of the key components I've heard as a therapist in a good friend are someone who's a good listener, which means when a friend reaches out with a trouble or needs help, that you are there to lend a listening ear without being judgmental, somebody who can help them sort out their thoughts. I think being a good friend is not being a therapist, because most people are not mental health clinicians. But I think that it means that you're there, you're available, and you're willing to be a friend to someone who's in need. If you are considering whether or not you're a good friend, ask yourself questions. When people reach out to me, am I someone who's available? Do I answer calls from people when they're struggling? And remember, good friends often have the best advice. So if people are reaching out for help, it probably means you're providing them with information they need in their moment, which does answer the question that you probably are a good friend. I hope this helps.